In this video, I will show you how to add text behind a person in Capcut PC. So let's get started. Alright guys, first what you need to do is to drag and drop the clip into the timeline. Alright, after that you need to go to the text on the upper side. Then from here you need to select the default text and drag and drop. You can also select different types of effect from here. Like as you can see, there are lots of templates right over here. You can simply go with any of this. Right, then what you can simply do is to adjust this text layer, and now let's just type in something. You can select the templates, so I will go with this template. I think this is better, so I will go with this. And now let's just type in text, or I will go with my channel name. All right, then let's just make a change with the font. So as you can see, here is the font, so let's just make it bigger. All right, adjust it as your wish, so I will go with this. All right, now as you can see, this looks like this. All right, then what you can simply do is to make sure to hold the Alt key into the keyboard, and you need to drag your just first clip into third layer like this. Now select the third layer and then go to the remove BG option from the video section, then tap on the auto removal. All right, it will take some time to work, and as you can see, we got the text behind this person. So let's just play it real quick. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.